Hello. This is a presentation movie about my prototype that I have here. Uh, First of all, it is powered from a transformer. Those are the two 20 volts, 240 volts mains there, and here is 5 volts coming and powering all this entire device that you see here on my wall. And this device is doing this is power is interrupting my light in the room by means of sensing. You see this green coil here? This is actually the sensing, the sensor. That's the sensor. I am. If I'm pointing to it, it is responding, and that is linked to a transistor. That's the actual the sensor. All this board that you see from here to here, all this board here, is the remote control receiver, and everything you see here is made by hand. All these are SMD LEDs, and 60, I forget the name. I should I should have known it, but no. It must have a metal plate behind it. This is cardboard. This is another piece of cardboard that I cut it in shape. And it took me half a year of testings and another half of year to actually finish it, and I got some help. I couldn't make it 100% alone. I really did it like I built it myself, everything that you see here, but some circuits I had some help. For example, the remote control circuit, somebody helped me with the circuit itself, but in the end I had to build it and mount it here and also connect it to the logic that is there. Initially I had 2 relays there, but this is not very important. And the wire is actually going from this little board, not from this relay, from this little board to another relay behind in the wall. It's a socket wall. It's a socket hole in the wall, and inside that socket hole is the mains connections, and it's a single relay that is connecting there. And right now I will show you the remote control, which I don't know the range of it. I mean, I'm using it only here in my room. So if I'm pressing the button, is also made from cardboard. I use the PIC microcontroller 12F508. It's the name of the PIC microcontroller. And I started this project in 2019 until 2020, and it's still working. It is still in prototyping mode. And I do have some problems from the mobile phone. The receiver of this remote control, the receiver is sensing the very fast fluctuation of the LCD refresh rate, and is actually commutating only by pointing the screen of the mobile phone towards it, and it will commutate. But and also another problem that I have, that it remained unresolved, is the fact that when the weather is extreme weather, super hot weather, like in the middle of the summer in July, or in the or super cold weather when we are in middle of winter, in January or February. And those very maximum differences of temperature is actually affecting some components, the sensor components actually. And I have a potentiometer right there, that black thing, and I'm regulating the entire circuit board when something is starting to become unstable. And by unstable, it means the distance from my hand towards the sensor. Sometimes it's just by walking in the room is way too sensitive, and by adjusting the sensitivity, it's back to normal again. So this it works. It is working very well actually, and I have it for right now is 2022. So I have it for 2 years in working mode, continuously working mode. Nothing got on fire. Nothing burst on fire. Everything is very, very safe, and is actually powered from 5 volts supply. And the amperage is actually very, very small amperage. I believe, if I remember right, is up to 100 milliamps when everything is full lit and full working. It's it's amazing actually, when it's completely on. And how it's amazing how low power is consuming everything. So it's almost like is nothing there. It's the power that is consuming in standby probably is around, I believe it was 30 or 20 milliamps, something like that. The chips, the integrated circuits are consuming, and there as well. That is a 555 integrated circuit, and those are more complicated. And this is 3914, I believe, if I remember right. It's a LED driver, and yeah, pretty much I believe I covered everything, and I hope you like it. And thank you very much for for watching this presentation that I promised myself I will do it for a very, very long time, and I just didn't do it. But now it's a good time as any other time. Thank you very much, and I hope to see from you or hear from you later. Bye bye.